So what we have here is the official drone mount by Insta360 One R. This is specifically for the Mavic Pro. This is the lens guard installed on one of the camera mounts right there. You use the split battery configuration. The core unit goes on this side. The vertical battery goes here. The 360 lenses that are in here are split between the two mounts. One goes on top, one goes on bottom. Here is the Freewell ND filters. They fit perfectly on the 360 frame, as Insta360 and Freewell both state. Here's one off to show you what it looks like. Here is the lens guard, and you'll notice it's a slightly different mount. You've got the two tabs that go right here that mount right here. This surrounds the lens. That's the split lens mod. This will also not fit directly on here, but if you look at the two, the size is exactly the same, just the mount is slightly different. Concern is a lot of people want to use ND filters for their drone. I am one of them. This is an official Insta360 product. Freewell has partnered with Insta360 to make these fit and work perfectly, but right now this is causing a major issue because the drone mount has shaky footage, rolling shutter, jello effect, and that's what causes some of the footage to come out so bad. So ND filters are a great alternative. I've used ND filters on my Mavic Pro for years, which helps a lot. You get a lot better film quality, photo quality, etc. So Freewell, I would love for you to come out with a mount that works with the official Insta360 product. Thank you.